We just had one of the most wonderful transactions I've had in a very long time, and it was with Gerard Gibson. What a nice gentleman he is. And really, he's on top of things. He deserves to be patted on the back. So, thanks. Thanks for hiring such people and making our lives easier on the other end. Take care. Hope all is well. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
So, good morning. I'm here at my investment property, and just coming to check up on the progress of the work. We got this thing gutted out. We got electrical ran. We waiting for a plumber. Plumbers seem to be busy right now, so trying to get somebody in here. If you know any plumbers, tag them below. But it's gutted out. We got rid of asbestos. All the asbestos was inspected, passed inspection. We put the new roof on. The windows are ordered. They should be here in a few weeks. I'm trying to get this thing ready by Thanksgiving. I want to be able to start getting some potential owners, potential buyers in here. It's going to be brand new. Everything's going to be brand new in this house. Like I said, a whole new electrical panel, all new electrical wiring. It's going to be all new plumbing. It's going to be 3 beds, 2 full baths. We got a full bath downstairs, another full bath upstairs. Where the bedrooms are, we also put laundry upstairs. We put laundry upstairs by the bathrooms, which is going to be awesome. You got his and her closets in the main bedroom. These houses in Hamden, there's always one smaller bedroom, but it's still a nice size. We got rid of those cast iron radiators. There will be central air, forced hot air and central air in the house. It's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Here, let me show you what we're working on. So don't mind the mess. Front entryway. We got the living room, 6 recess cans. That's the TV wall. We got rid of that window and put the TV wall there. These houses in Hamden, they have the living room is like rectangular. So we figured to use the big wall to put the TV there, because otherwise it wouldn't be a wall. You got your windows. We are going to keep this little small wall here. Maybe put a little reading chair or something there in the corner. And then this is going to open up to the kitchen. The kitchen is going to be, the cabinet run is going to be on that wall. So it'll be refrigerator, counter, stove, the rest counter. And then we're going to have a nice size island, about a 5-foot island right here. You can see the lines here. 5 or 6 feet. Nice size island with an overhang. Put like 4 chairs. All right. And then it's going to open up to a dining room. And then a, mud room. My contractor calls it a mud room. I don't know if it's going to be a mud room. You can make it whatever you want, but you got the side door here. It's going to be all new doors. This will be like a big walk-in closet you could use as a pantry or a closet or whatever. We're going to put a closet organizer in there. We got a full bathroom down here. The toilet's going to move over. You'll have a stand-up shower here. And then your vanity here. We got pocket doors going in. So it's going to slide into the wall there. And then we got recess cans throughout this room as well. You'll have your pendant, your teardrops over the island there. Microwave over the stove. I was trying to do a hood, but it just didn't work out. I figured we needed more cabinets, so you'll have more cabinets there with the microwave over the stove. Let's go upstairs. All hardwood floors. We're gonna keep the hardwood floors are in real good shape. If you hear me walking around, these floors don't even squeak. The house is solid, but it just needs some love. So I'm gonna show you upstairs. Bathroom's completely gutted. We're at the top of the stairs now. Bathroom's completely gutted. We made it about 2 or 3 feet bigger. So you'll have your vanity here, toilet in the corner over there. Shower will be over here. Shower and bathtub, we'll move that over. This right here is the laundry. So you'll have washer and dryer here. It'll be plumbed and vented and all of that stuff for your washer and dryer. Down main hallway here. We got 2 recess cans here in the hallway. All these hardwood floors are gonna be gleaming. This is the first bedroom. This is probably the smallest. This is the smallest bedroom. Nice size closet over here in the corner. All motion lights in the closets. So every closet, when you open the door, the light will come on. There'll be motion lights in the closets. This is the second bedroom, kind of rectangular shape. There was a chimney here. We got rid of the chimney to create more space. So you got a nice size closet in here, in this bedroom here. Again, because we're going forced hot air, central air, we got rid of the cast iron radiators, which made a lot more space in this room. Now, this is the main bedroom. We took away some space, all right? This bedroom was huge. This bedroom went from these darker color studs all the way back to that wall. So what we did was we took about 2 feet, 2.5 feet, and we made his and her closets. So you're gonna have 2 closets, 2 nice sized closets to go in. We're gonna get a closet organizer in here to make it efficient. And then you got your TV wall right here in the middle, in between these 2 closets here. The bed is going here. It's enough space to put a king size bed, a long dresser, tall dresser over here, nightstand, whatever you want to do. But that's how we figure we set it up. I know some people like their bed in the corner. So if you want to put your bed in the corner, you do have enough room for a king size bed in the corner. And then you'll have the remaining wall space. We also have a shoe closet here for my shoe lovers, right? It's gonna be a shoe closet here, motion light. When you open it, open the door, the light will come on. We're gonna put shelving in here for the shoes. And that's it. I wanted more recessed lights in the bedroom, but we put two recessed lights, and then you got a center light if you want to put a ceiling fan or whatever up. It's gonna be central air, so I don't know if you need it. All the other rooms will have dome lights if you want to add a ceiling fan, but things are moving along. The outside is still not ready yet. That stuff will be the outside, the siding and the windows. We're doing all new siding, vinyl siding, windows. There is a 1-car garage back here in the backyard. So the house does come with a 1-car garage. The roof was done on the garage. We're gonna side it, put a new garage door on it. So everything on this house is gonna be brand new. It was a big project. We were able to help a family that owned the house for like 40 years. I believe they owned this house for like 30, 40 years. And the house kind of got away from them, so we were able to come in, help them out, get them some cash for the property, and let them move on. So if you know anybody else that has a property, inherited property, or something that's like that needs a lot of work, a little distress. We're looking for distressed properties. We pay cash. We'll close in 30 days. If you find any properties like that, shoot me a message or give me a phone call. And anybody that can refer the property, we'll see if we can get you some money out the deal as well. All right, so I'll update you guys as we move along on this project. Have a good day. Be intentional.